Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. Alright, so firstly, to do this we have to just open our gallery, and now we have to hold on the photo that we want to hide. For example, this one. Now we have to click on the three dots in the right bottom corner, and here at the bottom, as you can see, we have moved to secure folder. So now we have to click continue. Here we can sign in as Google, here we have to agree. Now we have to complete two-step verification by typing the code that we gonna get from, I don't know, our phone number or Gmail, and then we have to just put this photo to this secured folder. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.